So I found in this horse that we have a decent amount of upper neck tension. So see how he kind of just, I don't want you to come near me. So we're gonna start just by gently going right around his ears, right behind his ears, seeing if we can kind of get some relaxation up there. He definitely has a sore neck, and so we're gonna figure out how to help him and relieve that tension and that pressure. So he's already starting to go a little sleepy eyes with his eyes, which is good. We really want to get that parasympathetic nervous system, which is the relaxation part of his body, to just start to work its magic. There we go. Come on down here. That's it. So since he's a little nervous, I'm going to do my hands first, right behind the ear. I did have someone ask me the other day, what can I do with the tool around the ears? I use my hand. And just kind of gentle pressure. And then I'm going to take that tool with that short edge, and I'm going to start gently just getting that fascia to release, finding some of that junk in there. Good boy. So there's a little bit right there. Gonna go see if I can get up a little higher. Oh, the good boy. And we're working on that rectus capitis muscle. And up here is right here, the Golgi nerve apparatus is actually a spot where multiple muscles connect. The neck muscles. Good boy. So if we can release that area, that can help release the neuropeptides into the system and provide that relaxation to the body. So I'm working on that. Oh, he's starting to drop his head a little bit more. He's pretty sensitive up here, so I'm taking my time. There we go. Come down here. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. And then I'm going to go down here. We have the brachiocephalicus muscle right here. He has a pretty good definition on his top line here, but I'd like to see a little bit more in the rhomboids. These are our rhomboids. We have the splenius muscle. And I know that that's a little bit tense. And then I'm going to take my hand. I'm just going to rub along up here. Ooh, what a good boy. Find the issue and then kind of just press in and hold that muscle. Hold that spot. And then release. This also, just taking my hand like this, is called effleurage. You can do that over the whole entire horse. And that can also provide stimulation of the blood flow, as well as provide relaxation and promote healing. So some horses are really sensitive and you can't go deep, but just gently putting your hand all over them can really help release some of that tension in their body. Let me see if I can get up there. Can I do that? Oh, what a good man. What a good man. You're such a good boy. Oh, yes, you are. Yeah, so again, I'm taking it at his pace. I don't want to push him too fast. I want him to be happy and relaxed. Oh, yeah, and there's some fascia tension right here. There we go. Yeah. So you never want to push a horse. You just want to take it where they're at. So now I'm going to go down this brachiocephalicus muscle. It's fine. There's a little bit of fascia tension in here. Not really surprised. He jumps big. He works hard. He definitely needs to be taken care of. Body work can really help a performance horse perform to the best of their ability. I love working on performance horses. I'll work on any horse, but performance horses are definitely one of my favorites. You can see such a difference so quickly in how they move and how they act. All the different things. Oh, what a good boy. Yeah. There, right? Yeah, right. There we go. That's so good. Good job, buddy. So when I first started, he was pretty tense. He's starting to release a little bit, but hopefully by the end of this massage, he'll be feeling pretty amazing. There we go. Good boy. Yeah, nice dropping of the head is very important for relaxation. What a good boy. So in this right behind the shoulder blade is our cranial deep pectoral muscle. It's pretty tight in there. So I'm going to try to release that area. Ooh. So that means there's tension in his shoulder muscles as well as his neck muscles, which guess what? They all connect. Good job, buddy. You're doing great. Yeah. Can I work on that area? That's so good. That's so good. Oh, look at how good that stretches in there. Release that junk. Yeah. Oh, you took my tool. Good boy.